Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about a GitHub project I've seen called privateGPT that leverages GTP for all. I'm going to give you a very fast speed breakdown about this, but I'll also add a link for a wonderful YouTube channel that goes into lots of details. I've already done the install for this, and I'll list some dependencies that I ran into for this install. But the quick breakdown is basically with this, you can train private GPT on specific LLM models. So your info is private and you can do this without being online. So it's great. With that being said, let's get going. So the first thing you want to do is create a folder locally. I just called mine private ChatGPT, and then you want to do the GitHub the git clone. So its command is git clone, and then it's the link that I'll add to the page as well. So it will populate all the information you see under the folder you created. And as a best practice, I'll just mention you should set up I would recommend setting up a virtual environment. So this is the command, set up the environment, name it, and then just do the upgrade. So that's a recommendation. And then once that's all done, you'll just install the requirements that we got from GitHub. So let's do that. And I've already done this, so it may take you a little bit longer. Um, and then once that's done, you'll need to rename this file. It says example.env. So just go in and just click rename and then just hit enter. And it's just basically the environmental breakdown. So you could make changes for this, but it has the name that we'll use for the example. So that's all set. And then you want to create a new folder under private GTP called models. And here's the name of the file. So basically, you want to go to the GitHub page. And so this is the data sets, the different data sets that you can train your private GTP on as well. So it's a lot of different options. But the LLM that we'll use for this case is under the environmental setup on the GitHub page. So download this and then move it to the models folder. And once that's done, we need to ingest it. So Python ingest.py will ingest it. Basically, you're training on the LLM at this point, right? So you hit that. Like I said, I've already done it, so it was quick. It will take a couple minutes when you do it, and you could add multiple files under the models, right, and train it on different things. So once that's done, you'll run Python private GPT to get this going. And this will take some time, maybe 2 or 3 minutes to get it up and running. But basically, once it starts, just to save time, this is what you'll see on the screen. It will say enter a query. And then, so this is the query that I'm asking. How many times is COVID-19 mentioned in the State of the Union? So you hit enter there. And this was the longest part for me. But I'll show you the result, right? So you can see the same question, and then it shows it repeats the question down here, and then it gives you an answer at the bottom. So that's the speediest breakdown. It's pretty simple to set up, and it's a pretty cool thing. So I hope you all had fun with this and have some fun with this and have fun training your private GTP. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Thanks.